She is waiting for the doctor. She is waiting for the doctor. He visited the hospital yesterday. He visited the hospital yesterday. The nurse checks his temperature. The nurse checks his temperature. She has taken her medicine. She has taken her medicine. The doctor will examine the patient. The doctor will examine the patient. He was resting in the hospital bed. He was resting in the hospital bed. The nurse is giving him an injection. The nurse is giving him an injection. She called the doctor last night. She called the doctor last night. The patient has recovered quickly. The patient has recovered quickly. He will leave the hospital tomorrow. He will leave the hospital tomorrow. The surgeon performed the operation successfully. The surgeon performed the operation successfully. She was feeling better after the treatment. She was feeling better after the treatment. The doctor has checked his blood pressure. The doctor has checked his blood pressure. He takes his medicine every morning. He takes his medicine every morning. The nurse was helping an elderly patient. The nurse was helping an elderly patient. She will meet the specialist today. She will meet the specialist today. The patient had received the test results. The patient had received the test results. He is waiting outside the emergency room. He is waiting outside the emergency room. The doctors treated the injured man. The doctors treated the injured man. She has been staying at the hospital for 2 days. She has been staying at the hospital for 2 days.